are many Muslims who say that the Qur'an is meant to be read with understanding only by the alims, only by the scholars. A layman Muslim should not try to understand the Qur'an. The Qur'an is meant to be read with understanding only by the alims, only by the scholars. I started my talk by quoting a verse of the Qur'an, which is also recited by the Qari in the beginning of the program, which occurs in Surah Qamar, chapter number 54, no less than 4 times. Surah Qamar, chapter 54, verse number 17, verse number 22, verse number 32, and verse number 40. وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have made the Qur'an easy for you to understand and memorize. Then which of you shall not receive admonition?